So a little while back, I was watching one of Shawn12thman's videos. I've enjoyed his videos very much, and I'll have a link to his channel in the description to this one. But he was showing his Pennsylvania Railroad passenger train. But rather than having an observation car at the end, he had a caboose because he said he didn't have one. Well, I had sitting on my desk a lifelike observation car like this, still sitting in a box. And I offered to send it to him for free so he could complete his train. So we exchanged pleasantries and contact information, and I mailed it to him, and in return, Shawn sent me this box. So let's see what we have inside. So first of all, we have this Burlington Northern boxcar, which unfortunately looks a little bit worse for wear, but no issues, we'll put it back together. So we have that. Looking much better is this Northern Pacific boxcar. I am not sure who made it. I'll have to look closely. We also have this Union Pacific Auto Transport. I thought at first it was a Tyco one, but some of the details, pardon me, look different. So I am not sure what the make is of this one. Here we have another one in Santa Fe colors, very nice. Looks to be the same make. Wow, Shawn, you're awesome. I was not expecting so much. We also have this Great Northern stock car. This Canadian Pacific scrap gondola. Turn it like this. There we go. Wow. A New Haven 50-foot plug door boxcar. Thank you, Benjamin. Burlington Northern 50-foot boxcar. A Burlington Northern hopper car. I don't have a lot of these, so this would be a nice one to add to the fleet. And finally, a high-sided Canadian Pacific gondola. I believe they use these for hauling wood chips and whatnot. I don't have any of these, so this is a new addition to my fleet. Oh, Shawn, you have outdone yourself. pardon my fingers there, but these look great. I'll put the boxcar back together and then we'll see them run on my layout. But in the meantime, I'd like to thank Shawn, Jesse in Oklahoma, John Lazar, and I'll try to get your name pronounced correctly, Kahiran Ning Manmano, and others who have recently joined my channel. I'm up to 686 subscribers now, so we're close to the 700 mark. But thank you all for coming along for the ride, and let's see how these look on my layout. Okay, so we got the 50-foot boxcar put back together. The only ever casualty was one of the couplers on the Northern Pacific boxcar broke, but I had a spare in my set. So we got all but one car behind the Jersey Central Alco. I've got the Union Pacific car transport behind the E7 because E8, excuse me, because it's a Union Pacific train, but also because a lot of these have been weighed to the NMRA standard, and I didn't want to overload either engine. So before starting, I once again thank Shawn for your generous gift. I've always wanted to get a box like this. I've seen other channels get them, but this is the first time somebody has sent me a box like this, and I truly appreciate it. And you're more than generous with your contribution. And with that, let's get started. He's off the track, one moment. There we go. Oh, that was off the track. You can make your way around. Nope. Looking silly here. All right. Let's try that again. Come on back with the E8. I'd like to figure out why the auto carrier keeps coming off the track. Okay, I'm back. So what's happening was the air hose on the horn hook coupler on this auto carrier was hanging too low, which happens pretty often. All I had to do is clip it off and all should be well now. So let's try that again. Whoa! So these are the engines, you may recall, last video that I saved from the scrap bin. They still had their issues running, but finally got everything together now. Thanks again, Shawn, and thanks again for watching.